Hello everyone, this is Arif Irfanullah. Welcome to my advice videos for Level 1. If you are a Level 1 candidate and your exam is about 2 months away, then this video is for you. My advice at this stage is based on 3 points. The first point has to do with your schedule. You only have 2 months, so you need to make sure that you have a schedule. If you already have a schedule and you are working according to that schedule, then that's great. Please move forward. On the other hand, if you don't have a schedule, then make one and follow it. In terms of making a schedule, I would recommend that you complete one round of the curriculum approximately 6 weeks before your exam. And by this stage, you should obviously know your exact exam date, so you can plan based on that. If you can finish one round of the curriculum 6 weeks before the exam, this gives you enough time for review and practice. If your situation is such that you started late and are struggling to finish one round of the curriculum anytime soon, then what you can do is make a schedule that lets you finish the curriculum at least 3 weeks before the final exam, so that those final 3 weeks can be used for review and practice. The second point has to do with active learning. I would want you to learn actively, and what this means is that when you read some material or you might watch my video related to a given segment, after that, do the relevant questions. You can do questions from the curriculum, or what we have done for you on our portal is after every lecture, we give you a few questions related to that lecture. By doing those questions, you can test yourself as to whether you have understood the concepts in that video or not. This also enforces that you are learning actively, because you learn something and then you practice the relevant questions. My third point is that you should make the most of the material that the CFA Institute provides you. It is extremely important that you do the practice problems at the end of each reading. These practice problems are vital for your success on the exam. And if possible, do these practice problems multiple times. When you finish a given reading, you should do these practice problems. When you are doing your final review, you should do the practice problems again, especially the problems that you might have had issues with. And under the same point related to practice, I would say that you also do the practice problems on the CFA Institute website. I'm sure you are aware that you can log on to the CFA Institute website, and under candidate resources, you can find questions related to each topic. So when you feel that you have completed a given topic, then you can go do the questions on the website related to that topic. And here again, I would encourage you to do these questions multiple times so that you understand the concepts being tested in these questions very well. The CFA Institute will also provide full-length mock exams for you. I recommend that you do these mock exams close to the end once you have completed the entire curriculum, and I'll be talking more about mock exams in another video. At this stage, the key is to be completely focused on your exam. You should study as hard as possible and do a tremendous amount of practice, because on exam day, it is your ability to answer questions well that will help you pass. So understand the concepts, but then spend as much time as possible on practice. If you do that, I am confident that you will pass the exam. So best of luck with your studies and best of luck on the exam. And I will see you next month. All the best. Bye-bye.